First, I will explain the specific features of the new Professional Protractor Triangle and its basic function. For Eastern courses, you should use the black aircraft symbol and the black degree values. For the Western courses, the red plane and the red degree values. The triangle has a 0 point in the middle and a hypotenuse with a length of 22.5 centimeters. A measuring scale in nautical miles for scales 1 to 500,000 and 1 to 200,000. On the sides, the courses can be measured accurately by 1 degree exactly. To mark the waypoints, you can use two circular templates, which can be used by left and right-handed people. Based on two examples, I show you how to use best the Professional Protractor Triangle. The one example from west to east and the other one from north to south. To start, mark the waypoints with the circular template and then connect them with a straight line. Then you can determine the course over ground by moving the 0 point along the line to the next meridian. The apex of the triangle always points south, which is important when reading the course. To choose the right value, it is important to have a rough idea whether you go east or west. In our example, it goes eastbound, then the value must be between 0 and 180 degrees and the black numbers apply. If the meridian is out of range, you can help yourself with a ruler and shift the Professional Protractor Triangle sideways or in parallel. For a better understanding, you can see a lateral shift along the hypotenuse. If the 0 point has been aligned on the meridian, the course can be read on the side. For north and southbound courses, you shift the triangle parallel along the sides. Again, you must reach the meridian with the 0 point. Now you can fill in the course in the flight plan or in the chart. It is always recommended to calculate the reverse track. Finally, you can use the Professional Protractor Triangle to measure distances direct from the map. Pay attention to use the correct scale of the map. For standard scales of 1 to 500,000 and 1 to 200,000 are covered by the Professional Protractor Triangle. To convert other scales, the distance can be easily calculated by multiplication or division. The ink nubs form a distance between the Professional Protractor Triangle and the surface to prevent the lines from blurring.